Hello students. So today we are going to see this topic keywords. Keywords is a predefined words in C language. Okay. So keywords have special meanings to language compiler. There are several words such as used as are used for special purposes. So these words cannot be used for normal identifiers. So we have seen variable names are also known as identifiers. So you should not use these keywords as variable names or any other places except to denote its function. So in C programming language there are 32 keywords available. So in that 32 they have given some examples here. So auto, break, switch, double, int, long, else, float, caret, and while, do, etc. So these are all the reserved words or predefined words. Okay. So these keywords will do some action or these keywords will have some values. So these should not be given as variable names or function names or program names. Okay. So this is the keywords. Okay. Next is a declaration statement. So the variables are declared in this statement. Variables need to be declared and defined before used in programs. Okay. So this is the syntax of variable declaration. The first thing is variable data type. Okay, in which data type you need to create a variable name, then you have to specify its data type. Okay, so here we have seen the different types of data types: character, int, float, and double. So you have to give the data type of the uh, data type of the variable, and then variable name. Okay, say for example you need 10 variables, then you can give 10 variables like s1, s2, s3 up to 10. Okay, so you can give in a single line in such a way that all these variables will be created as character or what data type that you specified in the beginning. Okay, so here they have given one example, int a comma b. Okay, so this a comma b belongs to integer data type. After finishing that, you should give the semicolon so that the compiler will understand that this statement has over. Okay, the statement is over, so it will move on to the next statement. Okay, so next is escape sequence. So certain characters or certain keywords like this will do some action. Okay, so this kind of actions is known as escape sequence. So escape sequence are represented using character performed, character prefixed with backslash. Okay, prefixed with backslash. Escape sequence is a character that may appear as a string of character. It may be printable or non-printable. Okay, that actions can be printable actions or non-printable actions. Okay, remember escape sequence always begins with the backslash. Okay, so backslash will be there in all the escape sequence. Okay, so do you know escape sequence were invented by Bob Burner? Uh, and you can see that escape sequence slash a bell sound or alarm, slash b backspace, slash f form feed, slash n new line, slash r cartridge return, slash t horizontal tab, slash v vertical tab, slash backslash, slash apostrophe single quote. Okay, So with this we are finishing. Now we are moving on to book back exercise in page number 22. You can note it down in the book itself. So the first filling the blanks is C language is a programming language. Okay. Second one, program headers are given in the documentation section. The variables which are declared before the main function is known as global declaration, is called as global. Okay. So dash means non-numeric constant contains a single character enclosed with single quotes. Okay, so it is a non-numeric constant. Escape sequence are represented using character prefixed with a backslash. Next is match the following. So the match the following number is 51432. C is invented in 1972. Variable is also known as identifiers. Character is written /R. Keywords. Keywords or auto is an example of keyword. Numeric constant mostly will be in integer data type. So next is true or false. C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie. True. The post process statement is used in linked statement. False. Okay. Pre process statements is only linked in linking statement. Variables are also called as assemblers. False. /A sequence represents bell symbol. True. Bell sound. Escape sequence were invented by Charles Babbage. False. Next is uh, answer the following. Define global declaration, page number 19. So global declaration, page number 19, in the first 2 points. Okay. Global declaration, the variables which are declared before the main, from there to all sections of the program. Okay. Next is what is meant by variable, page number 20. So variable, the last 5 points fully. Okay, starting from variables or otherwise from there to which can store value, which can store a value of the given type. Okay, so all the 5 points with the example. Okay, example, int is equal to 6. Next is define keyword. The answer is in page number 21. So page number 21, the first paragraph. Okay, starting from predefined word in C, from there to do, etc. with the example also. Okay. Next is give syntax for declaration statement, page number 21. The syntax which is given inside the box with the example. Okay. Next is define variable and constant, page number 20. Page number 20, you should take 2 points from constant and 2 points from variables. Okay. Page number 20, under the title constant, there are 2 points. Write that, and 2 points from first 2 points from variable. Okay, in the same page. So with this we are finishing this class. We'll see the new chapter in the next class. Thank you, students.